hour number 3. We just got together our third hour of giveaways here, and we are super excited. We've got some really nice stuff. Starting off with this honey badger right here. Another one of the special editions. This is W793 right there. So D2 on the blade steel. This is going to be the same as the last hour. Again, folks, click the link in the description below. The more actions you complete, the more entries you're going to get to win any one of these knives. Now, these knives, we will do the drawing for these in 1 week. This giveaway will run 1 week. This one's really cool, and this one is one of the group of knives that we've been having a lot of people really excited and really wanting. This is the Beavercraft Bushcraft knife made in Ukraine. Look at that. Leather is so insanely soft.
I really like the blade on
supple,
it.
like
supple. My God, just take it out to dinner tonight.
Now that is a cool looking blade right there, and really nice grind work and super sharp right out of the box. Holy crap! Nice full tank fixed blade.
Got a good balance to it, good weight.
It does, it does. I'm not really big on wood handles. I know you definitely like wood handles.
Mm-hmm.
But that's going to be our next giveaway, and it secures in the sheath really nice and interesting as well. A little bit different securing method. So, okay, knife sniffer.
You were waiting for it, and you got it.
Yeah, you got it. All right, next up is going to be the Zwilling Pro 8-inch chef's knife. I want to really thank Zwilling for that because we're giving away a lot of Zwilling knives this year.
Once again, with kitchen knives, y'all want to win this because let me tell you something. Me and you both, we have a great, nice collection of knives, I like to say now. What do we use the most?
Kitchen knife.
This right here. Why not invest in an actual knife you're going to use the most? So, it's great if you win.
So I've got my winter blade right here, and I do not use that nearly as much as I use my actual like Schoon or Zwilling kitchen knives. I don't use it nearly as much. I mean, I carry it around in my pocket, hoping to use it every once in a while. But I still use my kitchen knives way more than I use anything that I ever carry.
Save your money. Get you a good kitchen knife if you don't win this one.
Yep. Next up is going to be the QSP Parrot. This one's a really, really cool, and a staple from QSP. This has been one of their most popular ones, along with the Penguin. I like the blade shape of this one a lot. It's going to be more of like a spear point, and really dig the action on this. Ambi thumb studs on that, reversible pocket clip.
You know, to win this knife, you got to follow the actions below. One of those actions is putting a comment in the video. One of the comments you can make is type out what sound you think a penguin makes.
I like that one. Yep. Comment on this video what sound you think a penguin makes. And you need to describe that in detail, because if you describe that in detail in one of our videos coming up, I promise you I will try to make the sounds that you type out. That's going to be the best part about this. I'm going to try to make those sounds that a penguin makes that you guys type out.
Do you remember the old videos like when GIFs finally started coming out? And there was the penguin walking, and I believe it was on Break TV. That used to be like the YouTube before YouTube. And the penguin stuck its little foot out and tripped the other penguin and goes in the. That's what I think of every time I hear these knives.
Every time you hear them?
Hear somebody talk about it. I don't know what they sound like yet, I guess. That's what you're going to tell us.
Next up is going to be the Glow Rhino. And this is the Fermi right there. Really, really cool knife. So tritium in the thumb stud right there and tritium in the handle. D2 on the blade steel. These usually come in around $100. And we are giving this one away from Glow Rhino. And we want to thank Glow Rhino. Yeah.
They even have scales you can get on your bug out and a couple other knives.
Absolutely. They're doing some really, really cool stuff. And they glow. See? They glow. Yeah. So that's going to be in this hour. Also, Buck pack light right here. This one is super, super nice. Super lightweight, ultra skeletonized, G10 on the handles, injection molded plastic on the sheath right there. And really dig that one. And then, of course, the one that I know you want to take a look at right there.
Oh, yes, the Casso.
That's the Solstice right there, the drop point version.
Let me just tell you something. You guys are going to want one.
That one's coming in with the titanium on the handles And
Solstice, right?
Yep.
Yep. Nice. Good.
S35V in on the blade steel.
Feels
really,
good.
Really nice knife.
Really good size.
Yeah.
If you're familiar with CEOs, there's another one out there like that. The Stylist.
Yeah.
This is like a really, really upscale version of it, and it's really nice. So they're really cool.
Yeah.
So, and designed by really cool people.
Andrew Demko, Rick Valdez, those guys are awesome. So, next up is going to be the giveaway for this hour.
I didn't know if you were looking
Work Sharp, and that is going to be the Precision Adjust Elite. We don't actually have the Elite with us, but it's going to be the Precision Adjust, but with the extra kit and the box, that the carrying case and all that stuff. So that is what's going to go in this hour with these giveaways. I want to thank Work Sharp for sponsoring this event like they do every year. Also, Classic Cookie, check out the QR code. And the first 3,000 orders for today are going to get a Classic Cookie. And if your order is over $99, you're going to get a free National Knife Day t-shirt from Smoky Mountain Knife Works while supplies last. That is it for hour 3.
Did we say about the Rough Riders at the end?
Oh, and also, yes, we've got multiple Rough Riders that we're also going to be giving away in this hour. And that's going to be with every hour. Every hour we're going to have multiple Rough Riders and Marvels that we're going to be giving away in each and every hour. So
you have 1 week.
Yep.
3 days to respond after that week.
Yep. So that's it for this hour. We've got to go get the hour 4 giveaways ready.
Yes, and hand out some more ducks. So, woo! It's also Jeep Invasion.
Let's go do it. Duck it up.